So guys, before I start, please see my dashboard is 0.00 and after refresh I am doing it live now 0.01. So here is a simple method I have used. I used a Canva Pro link with my 10 Adsterra redirect link. Anyone click on the link, he will redirect to Adsterra direct link. After 10 click, he will get a Canva Pro free link. This is the method, very simple method. You can use it, you can do it very simple. I already done in just 2 minutes. So what you need to do, first you have to go Adsterra, then direct link, then generate 10 direct link very easily, like clicking on add direct link here. You can just click it here and generate your link as much as you want, but I generate 10. Okay, so after that I download it, export it as text file. This is the work you have to do, just copy and paste. So you have to do that, like direct link you have to copy it and paste it in here. All thing is ready made and set up well, just you have to do paste it in here. Here is redirect link, below this text you have to put your Adsterra direct link, copy from here and paste it in here. You have to do just this simple task, and here is already final link I have provided. This is the Telegram channel where pro invite link provided by this channel, and this is working channel where anyone can get Canva Pro free links very easily. So my goal is, if visitor visit my 10 direct link, then he will get a Canva Pro free link. So I'm now going to make a blog for this method. I mean, just copy the whole prompt from here, copy, and just go into ChatGPT and paste it in here and just paste it. Okay, now see what happened. ChatGPT is making a blog for me, like completed it. Now copy it and go to new post in Blogger, and in HTML view, not compose view, paste it in here. After that you just add an image at first. It's very simple, just go to google.com and search for Canva Pro logo, go to image, then select the image, not directly upload it, but you need to do it like collect a image URL, which is very useful for page, and the page work very smoothly for this. Okay, see, by URL you input it in here, paste it and insert image and go into center. Okay, and after that you have to publish it. So your money making machine is ready now. You have to now visit it repeated time, not in your mobile, not in your desktop, must be in other desktop, must be in your friend, your family member desktop, not in same IP. It will work in same IP but take much time. So here is my money making machine. Anyone who need a Canva Pro account, he must visit 10 direct link. This is the method, simple method. See, automatically redirecting in my direct link, and already message is showing 5 clicks remaining, 4 clicks remaining. This is because I am very black and white. Like if you want a Canva Pro free link, you have to do this only for 10 times. You can use it for 20 times, you can use it for 30 times, as much as you wish. So here is the final Telegram channel link where anyone can get Canva Pro link. I just need to put a title here. A clear title will be very useful for your visitor, like what he will get by your post, a Canva Pro link or a channel link. Because you see, Canva Pro link is very much limited, but if you give the channel link, he can take as much as from the channel, because if the limit is fill up, then another new Canva Pro link they provide. This is very simple. That's why I am giving the direct channel link, not the Canva Pro link. So that's I put in title unlimited Canva Pro Telegram channel link for free. This is my goal, and after that I just update it. Okay, so now see what happened. My blog is now ready. Okay, see, unlimited Canva Pro Telegram channel link for free. This is the main purpose. Now what happened, this is very useful because every link they click or you click, you need to just view it. After view, it will count as impression, and if you register here or log in here, it will generate more bucks for you. See, now I am going to statistics. As it is, see 0.00 my present. I am going to refresh it now, but it takes some time to effect. See, already 32 impression already counted, as I have done this 2 or 3 times before. That's why this is showing, but already the generated dollar is not already added in my account, so I just need to do some refresh. I need just sometimes and do this repeatedly. Let's see it's work or not. Okay, so I hope in a very short time my dollar will be added. See, this is my result. Already my dollar is added in my Adsterra account. I am just going to refresh it again, and see, I am refreshing it in front of you, and 0.01. That's mean this method is working. And if I click on direct link, see, there is already revenue 0.006. It is method is very easy to use, and this is very simple way you can generate as much as you can. So if you do not understand, please repeat one by one after me, and you can also make this type of money making machine very easily. So thank you, bye.